Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share our favorite hot sauce that transports us right back to vacation.
For my family and I, we are transported right back to our vacation in Belize when we eat anything with Marie Sharp's Beware hot sauce. We were served it at a little restaurant on the beach and we absolutely loved it, fell in love with it, thought we would never find it again. Thankfully, Amazon does carry it, and it is, I'm telling you, one of the best hot sauces we have tasted. It's got the perfect consistency. It's great balance of flavor and heat. You're going to get that kick, that heat without losing flavor. But if you are like me, a little bit will go a long way. If you're more like my husband or my son, you're going to want a little bit more. But either way, it's just going to enhance anything you eat. I mean, you can see it on the tacos here. Looks incredible. We really just feel like we're transported right back to vacation, and there's no food that this hot sauce just does not enhance.
Marie Sharp's Beware hot sauce is definitely going to add the kick to your food that you want. It's delicious and it can transport you right back to your vacation as well, and that's my point of view.